Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech of Row. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be talking about on how to start a YouTube channel. Now, just creating a channel is not enough to start a YouTube channel. You want to start by uploading content. You want to start by editing your YouTube channel. Like over here, I don't have any profile picture, I don't have any banner picture, I don't have any watermark. All these things, doing all these branding, this is how you start your channel. I don't have any pictures right now to upload, but you want to have a good banner, you want to have a good profile picture, you want to have, all these stuff. These are what makes a YouTube channel. In order to start your own YouTube channel, having a YouTube channel is more like having a brand, right? This is your brand. So you want to have a profile picture for your brand, you want to have a banner, you want to have a watermark. These things are what makes your channel yours completely. So you gotta do all of these if you really want to start a YouTube channel, because anyone can create a YouTube channel, right? But not everyone will start their YouTube channel. So in order to start it, you want to create your picture, your banner image, your watermark, and then you want to start uploading. Even if you don't get views, it doesn't matter. You want to start uploading, you want to work on it, and grind, basically. No pain, no gain, right? So yeah. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.